Hello everyone. Today I will walk you through the exact steps for adjusting the headlights on your Lexus RX 350. Start by parking your Lexus on a flat, level surface facing a wall or garage door. Make sure the car is straight and the ground is level. Turn off the engine and open the hood. You may need to remove the engine cover to access the adjustment points on some models. Inside the engine bay, look at the back of each headlight assembly. You will find a pair of adjustment screws or bolts. One is for vertical adjustment, and the other may be for horizontal alignment. If your headlights are too low and you cannot see far enough ahead at night, take a Phillips screwdriver and insert it into the vertical adjustment screw. Turn the screw clockwise to raise the beam. Turn it counterclockwise to lower the beam. If the headlights point too far left or right, use the horizontal adjustment screw. Turn it slowly until the beam is centered straight ahead and aligned with the road. Once everything looks correct, reinstall any covers you removed and close the hood. Thanks for watching.